Chapter 1. Introduction to Python. Introduction to Python.
Python programming language. Python's readability makes it a great first programming language. It allows you to think like a programmer and not waste time understanding the mysterious syntax that other programming languages can require.
Python is a high-level, interpreted language known for its simplicity and readability. You learned how to set up a Python environment and write your first Hello World program. Basic concepts. Variables. You understood how to store data in variables and perform operations on them. Data types. Python supports various data types such as integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Operators. You explored arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators to perform computations and make decisions. Control statements. If-else. You used conditional statements if-else elif to execute specific code blocks based on conditions. Loops. You learned about for loops and while loops to repeat code execution. Functions. Functions allow you to break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable parts. You created functions, passed arguments, and returned values to solve problems efficiently. Data structures. Lists. You worked with lists, which are ordered collections of elements, and performed various operations on them. Tuples. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, cannot be changed. Dictionaries. You explored dictionaries which store key value pairs for efficient data retrieval. Sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements used for mathematical operations. File handling. You learned how to read data from files and write data to files for external data storage and retrieval. Object-oriented programming. OOP. Introduction to classes and objects. You were introduced to the concept of classes and objects as the basis of OOP. Inheritance. You explored inheritance, where classes can inherit properties and behaviors from other classes. Polymorphism. You understood polymorphism, enabling objects of different classes to be treated as instances of their common superclass. Practical applications. You applied Python programming to create simple projects, games, and practical applications, making learning interactive and engaging. Problem-solving skills. Throughout the course, you solved coding challenges and exercises that honed your problem-solving abilities and logical thinking. This recap of Python for Class 8 provides a foundation for further exploration of coding. Remember, practice and creativity are essential in coding. As you continue your journey with Python, you will discover the vast possibilities and applications of this versatile language. Keep coding and exploring the exciting world of programming.